Hello everyone and welcome to the workshop Data Science. In this workshop you will learn how to build your own machine learning models with a range of Oracle technology. My name is Jeroen Kloosterman and I'm a Product Strategy Manager for Oracle. I'm presenting this workshop together with my colleagues Frederik Bergstrand, Lyudmil Pelov and Hans Wiemann. And also special thanks for the team that has helped behind the scenes. If you're interested in Oracle products such as the Data Science Service, machine learning in a database, Oracle Analytics and also Graph, then you're in the right place. I hope you're ready to work because we'll be mixing presentations with exercises that you'll be able to do in your own cloud environment. As you probably know, data science and machine learning also comes with some theory that you need to know, and we'll be covering this along the way. So we'll talk about things such as supervised and unsupervised learning, linear regression, neural networks, etc. This also means that there are no real prerequisites for this workshop. If you still remember your statistics classes and if you already know some Python and SQL, that would help, but again, it's not an absolute necessity. The agenda. In the first presentation, I will cover some data science basics and a high-level Oracle portfolio overview. In the video for Lab 1, we'll cover the theory behind data exploration, and you'll do an exercise to predict house prices with the Data Science Service. The theory for Lab 2 covers neural networks, and it's followed by an exercise to recognize handwritten characters, again using the Data Science Service. Lab 3 covers a business user angle to data science with Oracle Analytics Cloud, and you'll be doing an exercise to automate credit scoring. Lab 4 covers Oracle in-database machine learning, and here you're going to train a model in database and later operationalize it in an Apex application. And Lab 5 lastly covers Graph. It turns out that graph databases have an interesting relationship with machine learning, and you'll learn about that in this lab. So let's get started.